Today I thought I'd bring along the camera to record some of the reactions we get from dogs and people when we're out walking our wolf dog puppies in a crowded area. They're wolf dogs. Thanks. While Bear is still pretty shy with most strangers, here is a dog and an owner he knows that he's pretty friendly with. Oh, Silas. Hey, Bear.
Really a good thing for Bear.
Yeah.
Poor dogs. He's like, don't
Yeah.
he's fussy. Okay, get back, get back.
That's fun.
No, that's all right. He gets like this with every puppy. So you get in his face and he growls at them and then he'll bite them in the face a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Our husky does the same thing.
All right.
Okay, Silas, you got to see him. Okay.
Come on, Bear.
Come on.
Come on, Bear.
Come on, Bear.
He's happy now,
Come on,
boy.
Bear. Come on, Bear. They're having a fit. Oh my God, there's Moose. There's Moose. I don't know that Moose feels the same way, but.
Bear, you gonna say hi? You gonna say hi?
Silas, chill out. Oh, Silas.
Yeah. You gonna say hi, Bear? You gonna say hi? Come on, Bear. You wanna say hi, Bear? Oh, come on, Bear. Oh, Bear. Silas.
Ya me quedé excited, yeah. Silas, no. I can't grab my shoe in this gravel. Oh, Silas. Goodness, Silas.
Oh,
Oh, you puppies are a little too excited.
really?
He's like a
Oh no, he's gone.
Right.
You're so beautiful.
Oh,
So beautiful, yes.
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he likes you.
You know that I like it. You know that I love it. Yes, you know this Moosey little cracky. And you know that. Yes, yes.
There you go, Bear. You happy, huh, Bear?
That's good, Bear.
That's
We
good,
got to
Bear.
dog walk, okay?
Bear,
Yes,
good
we
boy,
got to dog
Bear.
walk,
Yeah, good boy, Bear.
Oh, good boy, Bear. Oh, thank you. That's awesome.
okay? Dog walk, okay?
You wanna-
Good, Bear.
That's good, Bear. They're wolf dogs. Thank you. Yeah.
The other one's a wolf dog too?
Yeah, they're both wolf dogs.
Do you know their percentage?
He's about 90% and he's 55.
I thought that the one you're holding on to is
Yeah, he's 6 months old and he's 7 months. They're still babies, yeah, very much. Yep.
Pretty cool. It's just a lot of work. Well, you know, with dogs. I mean,
Yeah, they're a lot of work. They're real smart.
You guys are great people.
All
Giving them a nice good home.
they're my babies. Okay.
Thanks.
Come on, Silas. Come on, Silas. Long lead. One of them's not my lead.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, I know.
Alright, we leaving.
No, you're all right. He's got to see people. Come on, bear. Come on, bear. Say hi, bear.
Okay, over here, Silas is there?
Yeah.
Hi, Silas.
I tried to pick a name.
That's a pretty good one. Definitely not many named Milkshake, that's for sure.
No.
But the problem is all the kids in the neighborhood, they forget my actual name, so I'm just Mr. Milkshake. So I just go walking through the neighborhood, they're like, Mr. Milkshake! Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
Thanks. Oh, we You okay, baby? Come on, man. You okay? You okay? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. You okay, buddy? You okay, bear? You okay, baby? You okay, buddy? Come on, bear. Yeah. Yeah, so. Come on, bear. There you go. Yes. I'm scared of kids. You okay, bear? You okay, buddy? There you go. You okay, bear? There you go. Yes, the big bad wolf dog is still pretty terrified of children, but we'll have to get him across this bridge. Come on, bear. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, you okay? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Is that a wolf?
It's a wolf dog, yeah. Come on, come on. No, bear. Come on, bear. Oh, bear, you okay, buddy? You okay, bear?
Silas, come on. Come on, Silas.
buddy. You okay, bear? You okay, bear? There you go. You okay? There you go, bear. You okay? Come on. You okay? There you go. There you go, bear. Come on, bear. Come on, bear. Come on, bear. Like, where's the dogs? There you go, bear. You okay, bear? You okay, buddy? You see? You wanna look?
Hi guys. So my name is Shay. That's Julia. We're gonna see you guys. Zip lining is a sporty activity.
Well, this has been a good day for wolf dog puppy socialization. I hope somebody learned something. If you'd like to see more videos like this or other videos on my channel, please just leave me a comment. Thanks. If you like this video and you want to learn more about wolves and wolf dogs, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.